one. Hello guys. I'm blocking the camera.
Reverse your camera.
Take two.
No, your camera is on your hand.
Sup lads, and welcome to Minecraft. Totally didn't pay for this.
Welcome to Bototoy.
Nope. Sorry, that was me, uncle. As you can see, we are in, what the heck? Okay, I was fishing. Now I get it. Okay, what am I wearing? Am I wearing iron boots? Something? Definitely.
What's up, folks?
Meh.
Kal, yung headset ko yung sira. Kal, nahatak. Kal, yung headset ko nahatak.
Definitely. How the heck do I go back? Nope, 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 nope. No! Hell no! Oh, which? Ow. Stop it! Ass hot. Fat hoe. Whatever. Okay, you don't touch me. Because if you touch me, oh, I'm dead. And I'm dead. That's it for today. Just joking. Heck, this of lagging. I knew it. TDM said buttons are illegal. But, oh god. Oh no. Hell no! No! You'll explode the house! I do it myself. There you go. That's done. Quite quick though. My Excalibur's missing. Crap. Yeah. I died quick, didn't I?
What is that?
Okay, so this is my house. Name it. I don't have any iron. Oh, nuts. Excalibur. Next. How to pronounce it? Excalibur? Yeah, it's weird. Definitely. Why is there background music, by the way? Heh. Watch it on Pinterest. I'm just joking around, guys. People won't know this. Yeah, ass huts. This is what resembles you the most. We have not done a full gameplay in Minecraft. So it's here on gameplay. The heck is going down there? This is a lot of stairs.
Wala build it.
No, you don't. You don't build that.
Wala build it.
No, you build your my. Damn it.
I messed up. Come on.
You messed up real hard, bro.
Messed up so hard.
You merasmus.
No, I'm not Erasmus. I am.
What?
Sniper. Sniper, what?
Why'd you keep saying merasmus then?
Oh.
Did I miss any iron? Did I miss something? Did you forget about me? Timmy Flex Excalibur. I just need one.
Excalibur.
No, it's Excalibur.
Excalibur.
You should see how it is. Excalibur.
It's a painting street. Painting? It's a paint train
Painting.
station.
Yep.
I'm gonna put you
Paint
to the
train
painting
station. Damn it. Freaking stairs. Stop getting in my way. You messed up society. You just a bane on it. Stop coughing there, lad.
Fucking see it.
No, I'm a
Holy
not
effing crap.
lying.
What the heck? Holy heck.
Molly.
Holy crap, what was that? So annoying.
What's that noise?
Your mom.
That is the sound of music.
It isn't the sound of music. It isn't the sound of it. It's the sound of you walking the path of Chachi.
Join the wrong server.
Yes, you
This
did.
is great.
Well, my friend.
This is great.
Yeah. You'll see it.
That is bloody great.
OMG.
This
You made me
is
lag,
bloody
bro.
Great.
I hope this doesn't mix up with the
This
delays
is
and stuff.
bloody great. Why am I in your bed?
What?
This is my bed.
You're on my bed? Seriously?
No, I'm on.
Come on out, lad.
Where are you? I'm so loud.
I'm outside the house.
What?
I am outside the house.
I know, but I have no arrows. I have 16 arrows. Are
Lol.
you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm kidding you. I have a fishing rod, by the way. So, should we fish for items?
Tara Tamlets.
What did you say? Say I'm white?
It's them, what?
It ain't demo, man. It's you playing the demo of Minecraft.
I'm lagging so hard.
I hope a fish gets here. If a fish don't get here, well then I don't know. What the heck are you doing up there?
Nothing.
Oops, I don't know what to do.
Dope, no.
Behind you. Meh, wire stone. By the way, you have no name tag. Why did I put it near my eye anyway? What did you say?
I see crepes.
Well, I'm coming back. I'm just gonna get a boat with my Excalibur.
Relics.
Yeah,
Wow.
you need relics, you know.
Nice.
Relics for gaming, that's it.
Nice.
Where's the MLG music?
Nice.
MLG music. Boop.
Nice.
9.
Nice.
I'm German.
I'm a German. I'm a German, but I'm not a German.
Yeah, because you're dirty. You have germs, right? Boop.
What the joke?
Yeah, I had to cut the
Nice.
camera.
What the
Okay, you
pun?
guys have to wait.
What the pun, bro? What
Pum
the
pum
pun is?
pum para bum
What the
pum.
pun is that?
Okay, I'm back. Only there was nothing.
I'm back, fellas.
But I will kill you with my Excalibur. Ow. Ow.
What
ow.
did you say?
I will hit you with my Excalibur.
Relics?
Yes!
Well, I have stone sword.
I have an iron sword. I think I should improve my gears. Nah, looks newbie. Wait, capiche. Blast protection.
Magic surprise.
Thorns. Fire protection and
Magic
ass hat.
surprise.
I like calling it ass hat, by the way. By the way. Oh, damn it.
I'm recording.
Darn. Yeah, yes, I know you're recording. You're recording this stuff, aren't you? See? It's called Excalibur. By the way, have to put all some of your items so I can check if the name of my sword pops up. Can I kill you with my asshot weapon?
That's all, folks.
How do you see it?
How do you
I am hiding.
How do you hide in this me moment in the pass of the right time? Silence, Octonauts.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are like an Octonaut.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you say that?
Yeah.
Aren't ya?
Oh, I will fish you town. You can't escape me.
You like a taod-taod.
I will fish you down until you get wrecked.
I will fish you up.
I will put in blue pajamas.
I vote my kidney. You will have kidney.
Do you want to go to the pain train station?
Yes, in the painting town.
Painting?
That's a pun.
No pun intended.
Yes, the
Oh,
fun is
nice.
here. And hot in here.
Yeah, it's hot in here. So
Very
hot
hot.
that your clothes burn
Wow.
to the
nice
ground
pun.
like ashes.
Nice pun in the ground.
By the way, nice puns.
By the way,
Nice puns in the ground.
Oh yeah, I don't pay for the Minecraft anyway.
By the way,
It ain't
Yeah.
demo.
We
Rent
don't
anything.
pay for the Minecraft.
Actually, you paid for it. I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you share it. Boop.
No, I didn't share it.
Yeah, you share it to me.
Oh, I forgot.
What, you forfeit the prize?
Nice. German.
OMG for ingots. I have to put these nuts.
Freaking medic.
Let me see what this sword has to offer. Just has to maintain good grade. What do you want from me?
Taral Tamlets.
Yup.
Taral Tamlets.
Oh yeah, by the way,
someone's calling me.
Taral Tamlets.
I'll be back later. You guys wait. Hello?
Hello.
Mom?
What are you doing?
I'm still at Paranaque recording my gameplay of Minecraft.
Ano?
Mommy, I have something to tell you.
What?
I'm not going to Allen. I made the up.
0917.
Basta, I just don't want to dahil hindi ka kasama. Ayaw ko marinig ang snore.
But what if ihatid kita?
Ha?
Gusto mo ihatid kita?
Saan?
Sa Allen?
No. Wag. Ayoko na sa Allen. I'll just be here in Manila.
You need to come home tomorrow.
Mom, I'm not going to Allen. Okay, I'll be back later.
Sige nga, ano mo, landline number. Sige. Diyan ka na mag-pay sa, sa floor, yung hole dyan, yung butas.